Hello, my name is Carolyn Mitzuk. I teach regular chemistry and I also teach college in the schools human physiology. Both of these classes are going to have an emphasis on not just teaching scientific content, but applying that content to the real world. For that reason, I feel that students really enjoy the classes because they have an applicability to them. I'm really excited to get to know all of the students. I think we're going to have a great time. My motto is that I like to work hard, but I also like to laugh hard. So I'm hoping that we have a nice balance between learning a lot and having fun as we learn. You can look at the syllabus that's provided for additional information as to what the grading policies are, what you can expect in class, what kind of materials you need to bring to class. A little bit about myself. I've been married for almost 29 years. Wow, that's been a long time. I have two children. I have three stepchildren. I have a dog. I have a cat. I have a partridge in a pear tree. Just kidding. I've Yeah, it's going to get worse. I'm sorry. That's about all I've got. I hope that well, I know, not just hope, I know this is going to be a great school year, and I'm thoroughly looking forward to working with all of you. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.